What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. I figured this would be the best time to make my return here on YouTube with the release of a new jailbreak. The ELECTRA jailbreak for iOS 11.2 through 11.3.1 has been released about 24 hours ago. I'm glad I actually waited until today to do this video because the jailbreak application has been updated and it should work much better for you guys. Last night when it came out, it took me probably about 2 hours to actually get my device jailbroken. It was really kind of a pain in the butt, but it did work, and unfortunately it took me so long last night that I didn't have time before I went to bed to make this video. But like I said, the application has been updated and it should work much better for you guys to get your device jailbroken. So the first thing you're going to need is an application called TWEAKBOX. This is where you're going to be able to download and install the ELECTRA jailbreak application. This is the easiest way that I know of doing it. That way you don't have to plug into a computer and use Cydia Impact or anything like that. Literally just install TWEAKBOX. The link will be in the description. We'll go ahead and open up the application, and then you will get an advertisement here. We'll go ahead and close out of that. Go to the apps section at the top. Go to the tweaked apps right there. Swipe down a little bit, and then you will see the ELECTRA 11.3.1. There's two different versions here. There's actually a multi-path version of it. I believe that is the best one to install and to use to get your device jailbroken, so that's what I would recommend. You just go ahead and click on install, and then it will install it onto your device. Once you're done doing that, just go ahead and jump into settings. Swipe down to general, swipe down again to profiles and device management, and then you will have a new profile to trust for the ELECTRA jailbreak. Just go ahead and click on trust, and then you should be able to open the ELECTRA application. And this is where it gets really easy and simple. Is you literally just open up ELECTRA and then you click on the jailbreak button, and that's all you got to do. Now you guys might have issues trying to do this where it'll say stage 1 of 3 and then your device will crash. You'll just have to try it again. Sometimes it'll get stuck on stage 2 of 3 and then your device will crash again. Just keep trying to do it over and over. It's really kind of a pain in the butt, but it will work eventually. And after you get Cydia installed, it gets to stage 3. You'll notice that you will have Cydia on your device. Another issue that people are having is once Cydia is installed, Cydia itself will crash over and over. What I did to get around that is I just did a reboot on my device. You go back into ELECTRA, and then you will see the button that says re-enable jailbreak. Go ahead and do that until that works, and then Cydia should be good to go once you have re-enabled the jailbreak. Like I said, it's kind of a hit or miss whether it's going to work for you or not. That's why I'm not actually demoing it in this video, because last night it took me, like I said, about an hour and a half for it to finally jailbreak my device. But anyways, that's all you got to do, guys. Again, the link for TWEAKBOX is down in the description. Go ahead and install that application, and that's where you're going to download the newest ELECTRA jailbreak. Again, it's for iOS 11.2 through 11.3.1. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.